Welcome to Just Try. And today I'm gonna try Shaker's house recipe sour wafer crackers. Yes, I got them from my restaurant called Shaker's. Here we go. They're made in Houston. Yeah, they have no nutritional facts. Like, you gotta look them online to check them out. It's not super salty, but I can still see some salt. It's nice and firm. It's wide and tall. I got nothing else to say because let's just taste it. It's buttery, it's salty but not too salty. It's crunchy but not too crunchy. It's all around delicious. It tastes just as good as the lean brands of crackers. I give this an A+, an A+.